wait. If you also want all the sound effects that I use in my videos, then firstly follow me, like and share it to each and every person. Now, listen to me carefully. All the sound effects that I use are as follows. First, third, this. And the last but not the least is this. One more. Let's go with one more.